Hello, good morning, people. So today, get ready for your science class. As you can see over there, we had the topic of the class of today. Don't forget to write the topic because when you had the moment to study, you are not going to be waiting like, what is the topic that I had to study? So don't forget to underline this topic that in color red. All the topics in all the classes, we are going to underline it with color red, okay? So what are the part of the flowers and plants? Well, so this is our topic. Please write it down in your notebook. Don't forget to write the date and the topic, underline it with color red. So as you can see, we're gonna continue with this and here we go, okay? So in your book, you are going to open your book in the page 15. Today, we are gonna read about this. So as you can see, flowers, well, the topic is what are the part of the flowers and plants. So flowers had four parts, okay? So I have a question. What kind of flower have you seen? So maybe you had seen a lot of kind of the flowers, like small flowers, big flowers, all different flower with different colors, bright color, yellow, red, orange, a lot of them, right? So, well, you know, the flowers can be very colorful, but flowers don't just make plants pretty. So flowering plants need to flowers to make seed that grow into new plants. That's what we're gonna find out in this class, okay? As you can see, I had different kind of pictures. So all those pictures, so we had beans, we had a flower, we had the other kind of fruit plants. Okay, but as you know, plants are important for human life and vegetation as well. They are very beneficial to us and give us a lot of things. And we are surrounded by plants. That have you ever stopped to notice the part of the plants or a flower? So maybe you remember the part of the plants because you see it in third grade, like the stem, the root, the leaf, and that, right? But in this case, we need to know what all the parts of the plants are important and they carry out different functions, okay? So we're going to learn what is a stamen, what is a pistil, what is a petal, all that. So all of them come together to perform the respective functions for the healthy lives of the plant. Here we go. As you know, we had in here the part of the plants. We need to match them. Okay, so roots. What will be roots? Maybe the roots, it pulls the water and the minerals so they can reach the plant. Yeah. So here we go. And we go back to roots in here. What is a leaves? Maybe a leaves takes the sunlight, air, and water and nutrients to make food for the plant. It could be possible. A flower, what in here we had a clue. The seed flower was collectively fertilize the plant so it can produce seeds. That is one of the most important work of the flower. They produce feed. Okay, not only not only the pollen that the bees collect from the flowers. And then we have the stem. It distributes the nutrients and mineral the way the plants to the leaves. So the stem, here we had the stem, okay? So this is are the part of the leaf, the plants that we had: root, stem, leaf, and flowers. So let's continue with our class. You don't need to write this in your notebook, okay? It was just an exercise. Here we go. So this is important. You need to draw this flower in your notebook and we need to label the part of the flowers and draw it, okay? So let's start from the bottom to the top. Over there we have the stem. As you know, over there the stem, they tell you that they hold and carry all the nutrients to the leaf and the flower through the plant. So we're going to start with the stem. Then the stem is connected with this part that looks like little leaf, but this is called a sepal. What is a sepal? Over there you have the definition in the book. A sepal is one of the leaf-like part that protects a flower bulb, and that is usually green. Most of the time they are color green, okay? So then we had the anther filament, and this anther filament is talking about that is the part of the flower that makes pollen, okay? This one is the stamen. And the next, as you can see even here, we have this that is the petal. So the petals surround and protect the part of the flower that makes seeds. So this is our petals. And the last part, and not least, but is the pistil. So pistils are in charge, and they have those knobs over there that a flower makes the eggs that grow into seeds. So this part that you can see over there is the part of the plants that make the reproduction of the eggs to produce seeds. So as you can see over there, you have this part of the plants. And here we go. Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't erase that. And over there in the in the in Schoology, you will have the opportunity to watch this video. These two videos, they are just two more resources that you can see at home, and it's going to help you to improve your knowledge about the part of the plants and the flowers. So that's all for my side, guys, and it was a pleasure to be with you today. So thank you so much for watching this video and paying attention to the class. See you.